This is Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 4, Lesson 11, Exit Ticket. Our first question says the area of the rectangle is blank square centimeters. We know to find the area, we have to multiply. So 8 times 8 equals 64 square centimeters. You see this? Whoop. Centimeters. Okay, so the answer is 64 square centimeters. Problem number 3. The rectangle below has the same area as the rectangle in problem 1, which is 64 centimeters. What is the length of side A? Okay, well, we know that the shapes are different. So the problem 1, it's a square, okay? Problem 2, it's not. We're going to have different numbers. We're not going to have 8 square units because one side is shorter and one side is longer. So let's take 8 times 8, which is what we had in problem 1, and let's split this 8 into 4 times 2. Okay, so now, and then bring down this 8. So now we have 4 times 2 times 8. All right, and if we look here, we can know that we have 4 centimeters and 2 times 8 is 16 centimeters. So what is the length of side A? The length of side A is 4 centimeters. Continuing with that same problem, number 4 says the rectangle below has the same area as the rectangle in problem 1. What is the length of side B? So we know that the side A length is 4 centimeters. Right here, this is side A. 2 times 8 is side B, so that is 16. 2 times 8 equals 16. The answer is 16 centimeters.